Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Big Bang Chemistry, a complete solution of the chemistry. In the series of video lecture of molecular symmetry, today we are going to learn and understand how to show the presence of three C4 proper axis of rotation present in octahedral molecule AB6L0 molecule. Right? Example of such type of molecule, maybe you're about SF6. This is about perfect octahedral molecule. In this perfect octahedral molecule, the hybridization of such type of molecule may be your what sp3 d2 or d2 sp3 hybridization. So this is the what octahedral shape. So we are going to generate the octahedral shape. So for AB6 molecule, again we are assuming that this b1 is equal to what b2, and b2 is similar to the what b3, b3 is similar to the what b4, and b5 and b6 and b atom, right? So now this is what B atom, all are the B atoms present on the axial and equatorial position of octahedral. So now for our own understanding, again we are numbering it. This is what B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6. But for the presence of proper axis of rotation, we must understand the structure of octahedral molecule. Meaning is that how many faces are present in octahedral molecule. If we are able to analyze, or if we are able to see all the faces of the molecule on the paper, then it will be easy for us to perform all the symmetry operation in octahedral molecule, right? But it is very difficult to visualize all the faces of a cube in a model also, right? In atomic model also, generally people are using a different type of plastic models, right? But if you will attempt on paper, so easily you can understand how many faces are there, how faces are going to rotate about each and every different type of proper axis of rotation. So for understanding this, we must know that octahedral is having total 8 faces, right? So what are the 8 faces? Check that. On the top, this is the first 2 faces this side and 2 faces this side. So total faces on the top of this 4, and the same number of faces will be what at the bottom of this octahedral, right? That's why this shape knowing as a what octahedral shape. And now B atoms are present at the what axial and equatorial position of octahedral shape. So these are the B atoms. So we need to check that how the B atoms are going to change its position on rotation about a given proper axis of rotation. So for your kind information, you must know that in this molecule there are 3 C4 proper axis of rotations are present. So how to show and how to visualize this C4 proper axis of rotation in octahedral molecule? There is a C3 also and there is a C2 also. So in next video series, right now we will discuss that how to perform this C3 operation, how to perform this C2 operation in octahedral molecule. But in this video we are going to discuss the presence of 3 C4 proper axis of rotation. So we are going to do the what perform the first C4 operation again, right? So for this, again check that this is the first octahedral molecule shape. So now we are going to numbering it. This is the B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6. When you will check in this molecule, right, total C4 present in this octahedral molecule is what 3 C4 proper axis of rotation is present. But now how to visualize it? So check the presence of 3 C4 proper axis of rotation in octahedral molecule. In this molecule, this axis, this one axis, right, containing A, B1, B2 atom, this A, B1, B2 atom, this axis will work as a what C4 axis, right? So now check C4 means what rotation by 90 degree. So now we are going to rotate this molecule at 90 degree at this in this direction, right? So be careful with the direction. Many times I told you that if you will take this direction and you will rotate the molecule in opposite direction, again your operation will be wrong, right? So be careful with the operations and directions, right? So now we are going to perform this operation, C4 operation, and we are going to rotate this molecule in this direction, clockwise direction. So see that what will happen. When we rotate the molecule in clockwise direction, so B5 will interchange its position with B3, B3 will interchange its position with B4, and B4 will interchange its position with B6, and B6 will interchange its position with B5. So meaning is that except B1, this atom, and B2, rest of the atom will interchange its position. So C4 operation, after C4 operation, what is the new geometry of this molecule? So this B1 will be here, B2 will be here. Nothing will happen with this B1 B2 atom because it is a part of the axis, because this B1A and B2 atom is in the C4 axis. So now what is the new orientation now? Sorry, what is the new position of these B atoms? So here B5 will come, here B3 will come, here B4 will come, here B6 will come. Now check, this is the structure number 1, structure number 2. So all these structures are the what equivalent. So that's why this is the what C4 proper axis of rotation. Now the visualization of this proper axis of rotation was very easy, right? But now rest of the two proper axis of rotation, this is what C4 proper axis of rotation, visualization is very difficult. So now see that how we can visualize the rest 2 C4 proper axis of rotation in octahedral molecule on paper. Check it now. Check this structure. What I did, I draw one square by including your 4B atom, right? So now this is your what one, this pink color is what one square. So meaning is that next C4 axis will pass through the what A atom and B5 basic B4 atom. This is your what C4 axis now, next C4, right? So now what you will do, rotate this molecule in this direction at 90 degree, right? So after this rotation, what will be the arrangement of this molecule? Let's check. So now when we rotate this molecule in this direction at 90 degree, so what is the new position of B atoms, right? So now this time what will happen, this B4 position and this B5 position will be as it is, it will not change. So in this rotation what happened now, now this B6 will interchange its position with this B1, B1 will interchange its position with this B3, and B3 will interchange its position this B2, and B2 will interchange its position with this B6. So now accordingly change the position of all the atoms, right? Now check, here who will come, B6 will come, right? Here who will come, B1 will come, here who will come, B3 will come, here who will come, B2 will come. Now check, this is the structure number 2, this is structure number 1. So these two structures are equivalent to each other, right, and equivalent to original structure. That's why this is what your second C4 proper axis of rotation present this molecule. So now second one, this is containing the what one A atom and B5 atom and B4 atom, and the first one was containing the what, this C4 is containing A atom, B1 atom and B2 atom. So while rotating the molecule and shifting the or interchanging the position of B atoms, just first decide your direction of rotation, this direction of rotation, accordingly interchange all the positions, this direction of rotation, right? Decide this rotation and then accordingly interchange the position of the B atoms. By seeing the diagram, it is clear that what would be the position of third C4 proper axis of rotation. Now you can easily guess. So now once you will check this structure, then it will be easy for you now. You can easily identify that where is the third C4 proper axis of rotation. So now when you will check this one, then this third C4 proper axis of rotation is this one, containing the one A atom, center atom and B3 and B6 atom. Check this one. This is your what C4. This C4 is containing what A atom, B3 atom and B6 atom. So now perform the C4 operation about this A atom, sorry, about this C4 axis of rotation. Now perform the C4 operation about this C4 axis. So now again rotate this molecule in this direction. You are free to rotate the molecule in any direction, right? But it is dependent on you that which direction is easy for you. So rotate this molecule at 90 degree. So on rotation of this molecule at 90 degree, what will happen now? This B1 will interchange its position with this B4. This B4 will interchange its position with this B2. And this B2 interchange its position with this B5. And B5 will interchange its position with this B1. So now accordingly change the position of the B1 now, right? So here B5 will come, here B1 will come. So after rotating this molecule, what will happen? First fix the position of this B6 and this B3. These positions are not going to change. So what will happen now? So here at this position B5 will come. Now it will change its position with this B4, right? Here B1 will come. Now this B4 will come here, right? And this B2 will go here. So now again structure number 1 equivalent to the what? Structure number 2. So this is what proper axis of rotation. So now everyone is understanding that how to perform the C4 operation in octahedral molecules, right? So now if you understood it, if you like my work, like, share and subscribe my channel.